Hello again, I'm here with the boys and we're on another shoot. Say hi, Brett.
Hi, Brett.
Whose idea was to come here? Because I followed the car on the motorbike and it was...
This is Hector.
So it's from a superhero shot.
Okay.
So it's coming up to you like that. Then what I want to do is I want a side angle with the actual camera of you getting so up close, so very much fucking depth of field, picking up your thing, putting the goggles on, doing it, and then getting out from a couple of different angles.
Yeah, I like it. I like
right,
it.
then it's like that with the drone. And like Brett said there, having the camera underneath with some rocks, so it should get that shot of the drone going up. Drone goes up. I will be flying the drone in front of you, and I'll have that ready to go. And then what I'd like you to do is actually fly the drone to the drone. Okay. So we've got that up close, right to the fucking drone, and that'll be a fucking killer shot.
I'll try not to crash.
Two
I'll try not to crash my
two drone offs.
Two drones
Head to head.
So yeah, we're just beside this tower, which you will have seen on White Lines and Netflix if you're watching it. It's located at Calaconte, which is only over there. We're between Calabasa, I guess, over that side, and that's San Antonio in the distance. Today's shoot is a strange one. We're just filming. I can't really tell you everything just yet, but we've got a number of drones and a lot of equipment with us, and yeah, as it progresses I will take you through the journey of today's shoot. It's hot in Ibiza. The weather's very, very, very warm. It's muggy today, it's sticky. So I've got my 2 litres of water. I've already drank one of these today. So yeah, let's see how things go. We've had a slight issue. One of the drones have went down. Sometimes these things happen. So unfortunately we've lost a drone. It's in the sea though, so we know where it is. There's also a couple of jellyfish, so the boys are down there with a pair of goggles that we borrowed off passers-by, trying to find it. Even though they've been stung by jellyfish, they're still going on. Well done, Marcel and Jody. Right, so if Jody's found the drone, Marcel thinks he can swim 8 meters deep. Ooh, apparently it's very deep. So let's see if he gets it.
Blood. You smashed the glass. Has that always been smashed?
No, it's gonna be filtered that.
Oh shit, yeah. Still recording. There we go, drone recovery.
Unplug the battery just in case. Unplug the battery.
Well done, brother.
So we managed to get the drone. Marcel swam right down to the bottom. Well done, boys!
We will rise!
Yeah, these things happen. So it was a couple of £1,000 worth of equipment went under. Drone probably won't work ever again, will it?
Maybe.
But we have got a friend called Lucas Mack who's really good at fixing things. So I'm sure Lucas will put it together again. What else happened? The boys are riddled with jellyfish stings. I guess we got to return the goggles to the little girl who gave us to him. Where did that little girl go? Make sure she gets her goggles. I'm coming to the beach and some big guy takes the goggles off you. Jody, fancy any jelly?
Drone recovery, brother. Drone recovery.
Jody Hall, drone recovery. Oh.
This is a wet drone. Had to happen one day, and it was today. Yep.
Well, it survived though.
It'll fly again. It'll fly someday.
So yeah, Hector was trying to just skim the water on the drone. Unfortunately, he was kind of standing a wee bit too far back. But this happens. I'm glad we got it back, so we can continue making the vlog. But the GoPro was recording. Think I could get some footage for that? Of Marcel going down to get it. It looks shit hot.
It'll be recorded.
Yeah, it was recording all the time.
Yeah, so we'll get some calls.
We found the drone. That's it.
I seeked it, he retrieved it. The seeker and the retriever, drone recovery.
Obviously I would have jumped in and helped the boys, but I was waiting on an important phone call. That phone call never happened, did I? Had to wait. No. I would have just jumped down and got it myself, but where's your little
I got a little stunt thing there. Got a stick on my foot.
The medusas.
Here.
Here.
Right, I'll wheel you, you wheel me. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect.
Which lens was good for? Yeah,
If he cannot fix it, no one will.
yeah, I've got this bottom probably. Charging ports I have. Yeah, I will save it.
Can you fix it, Lucas?
Yeah.
Hey, as long as you
Very much.
as long as you save this, the rest.
No, we'll fix
know,
everything.
forget.
We'll fix everything. But we can try at least. I mean, we'll go under the microscope and we'll see everything. Right, let's go to my shop soon.
What's going on?
Well, you know, just checking which components are gonna survive the dive in the water. So if this is the expensive thing, the camera. So if this survives, it's all good. This is gonna be probably going to the trash, and yeah, we'll just see. We'll see what happens. So.
And you think you can fix it?
Yeah, and what we're gonna do when we open it, because DJI never put the seal inside, so I'm going to put special glue where usually I'm fixing mobile phones, the screens, there's like a rubber, like a silicone. We put it around so you can dive it with the drone again in the water.
We're gonna end up building an underwater drone with Lucas, you'll see.